Morning student, welcome back to Math for class 12. Today is the new topic, chapter 10, vector algebra. Okay, 10 and 11, and after complete the 10 and 11 will be start of chapter 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so chapter 10, vector algebra. The definition of vector: a quantity that has both size and direction is called a vector, denoted by this A, an arrow on a A, or suppose this point is AB, so AB vector base vector. This point is a coinitial point, okay, and this terminal point. AB direction is given. Vector depend on direction. Okay, both size and direction. This direction, this is the direction. Okay, so depend on direction. So suppose this vector given and this vector is also oppose the same, minus vector A plus vector A is not a equal vector. Okay, this is vector, these both are vector, but not same vector. Magnitude are same, but direction is not same. The equal vector, same direction and same magnitude. Equal vector definition: two vector have same direction and magnitude. Okay, same direction, magnitude is called a equal vector. Other definition of vector are you can read on and write on the NCERT book. So this is a simple. And now let question number 1. And vectors for example, velocity, okay, force, and acceleration are vector quantity. Other is a scalar value. Work done is a scalar, and weight is scalar, degree is scalar, Newton meter is scalar quantity. Okay, so on that. So now let question number 1. Represent of graphically representation of displacement of degree 40 degree east of north means east direction. So this angle east direction by north. So draw a diagram by Cartesian, x and this x dash, this north and this east, this west and this south. East, this area is east, but of north. So north means north, say from north, this, yes, 40 degree. This is a 40 degree is east of north. This question same, but 40 degree north from east. So north from east. East this. So this to north. Move to bottom to top direction. But north to east means north to top to bottom direction. Move top to bottom direction. Okay, this is a 40 degree of east. This is a graph. Okay. Next, now question number 3. 2 is our scalar quantity given in the question number 3. Classify the following vector and scalar. Vector and scalar. Number first, time period. Time period is also scalar, not a vector. Okay. Second point, distance. Distance, this is measurement, is also scalar. And third, velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Okay. And fourth, force. This is also vector. And fifth, work done. Work done is also scalar. That's right. And question number 4. Equal vector by the diagram. The diagram is also given. This diagram, this and this. And I think this type question is diagram. Move. And suppose this has vector this and vector b. I have no diagram. For example, you can solve the NCERT question number 4. We have not a diagram in this present time. Okay, so I make this diagram, this move direction, this is, and suppose this and this. Okay, a, this vector b, and this vector c, vector d, and a vector. Okay, conical. Suppose firstly point example कि find conical. Suppose करो conical vector find करना है, conical vector by the diagram. तो vector A, conical, देखो vector this come and move in this direction, not a conical. Conical means a point spread of more than two and more than two vectors. एक पॉइंट से अदर वेक्टर जाने चाहिए, ऐसे इकोनिशियल वेक्टर है. नो मूव टू पॉइंट साइड डायरेक्शन, पॉइंट डायरेक्शन. ओके, so this direction point and this direction move this, so this is not a conical. This move direction, this is also conical. अब this one, this, अब सपोज करो this, हाँ डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देते हैं. दिस पॉइंट है conical वेक्टर. तो conical वेक्टर C and conical vector B and conical vector E. Okay, C, B and E are conical vector by the diagram. And second, collinear vector. Suppose a collinear vector. Collinear parallel vector is called collinear vector. Vector A, vector C are collinear vector. B or D, and vector D and vector B are collinear vector. Okay. And third point, this is also, E is also collinear, point of A, C and this, but this E and C, A or E, sorry, not C. And collinear vector are not equal, but not equal means equal. So A and C are same direction, so this is a parallel are in parallelogram, so this is equal. And collinear vector but not equal. Vector A, vector C are collinear but not equal. Not equal क्या है? C नहीं है. So this only equal vector. This is okay. All linear vector, sorry. Okay. And direction, question number 5. You can solve of the question number 4 and 5 and 2. Thank you. If any doubt, you can ask to me. Okay. Thank you.